If you are from Nigeria, Payoneer is one of the best ways to receive your international currency. Most of us, our bank cards do not allow us to make transactions more than $20 in a day. So you can use Payoneer as an alternative to make your transactions in a day. And you can also use it to receive payment from international clients from anywhere because it accepts a whole lot of different currency, from euros to dollars to pounds. You can use Payoneer to receive your payment worldwide. Yeah, so beautiful people, welcome back to the screen of my phone. So, like you all know, I love using my phone because a mobile phone is what most of us have, and it is what most of us go around with, looking for how to make money online. So that's why I love using my phone. So now in this video today, I want to show you guys how to open a working Payoneer account right from the point of your phone, right from your phone, a working Payoneer account that you can use to receive payment internationally. You understand? So most of you guys have been asking of for how to receive your payments online. Now you can use Payoneer because Payoneer can give you an international bank account number, which I'll be showing you how to obtain it in this video. I'll be showing you how you can open the account freely. Once again, guys, I do not have a Telegram account and I do not have any group that I'm adding anybody. So please beware of scammers. And please, I'll be showing you how to register, but I won't be disclosing my details because I just had an encounter recently, so I would definitely not be disclosing my details here. So let's just head straight to my Chrome browser. Here is my Chrome browser. So what you do is to type in Payoneer is loading. So once you type in Payoneer, it brings payoneer.com. That is the first link. The first link, you click on it. You click on the first link, payoneer.com. So you allow it to load. Once you click on it, it will load. You allow it to load. Payoneer.com. So it's coming up. Well, Payoneer is a means of requesting for your payment internationally, and is a means of sending money abroad as well. So it is trusted by, as you can see, it's trusted by Fiverr, Crossover, Upwork, Envato, even Google trust Payoneer, even Wish, Amazon. So they all trust Payoneer, eBay. So you have nothing to fear. It is a legal way of receiving money. Freelancer as well. So if you're a freelancer on any of these platforms, you can input your Payoneer account as your account details and receive money. So all you just need to do is to click on this sign up and earn $25. So I'll be dropping my link in the description box. It says sign up and earn $25. As you can see, it says quick and secure international payment start here. So I'll be dropping the link in the description box. If you want to sign up, you can click on the link in the description box. So as you can see, it has reduced fee. Well, it has reduced fee compared to PayPal or any other means of payment. Even if you are using Amazon KDP, you're definitely going to be using a Payoneer account to receive your payment from Amazon. If you're using Upwork, definitely Payoneer. If you're using Freelancer, Payoneer. If you're using, just name it, Fiverr, Payoneer. So you get paid using this platform. It says check out the pics of Payoneer. It has reduced fee. You get paid in popular currency, whether euros or pounds or dollar, or you get paid in any of those currency. It says it simplifies your payment and you can withdraw your money. Well, let me include this. If you don't have up to $50 in your Payoneer account, you cannot withdraw it. So whatever means of payment, whatever work you're doing online, you just have to come down and allow the money to accumulate to at least $50 before you can withdraw it from Payoneer. And they also have 247 multilingual support. It means even if you are from Nigeria or any country, you can access their support network as well. So they will definitely reply you. It is also a working capital. So guys, that is all about Payoneer. What we just need to do now is to go straight to sign up and earn $25. That's if you make, as in after you've made money on the account, the $25 you will earn here will be paid alongside any money you are making on the account. So what we are just going to do here is to click on the sign up and earn $25 here. So after clicking on it, it says let's find the right account for your needs. Please select the option that describes you the best. So here it says I am a freelancer, online seller, affiliate marketer. So because we're going to be using this account to receive payment online, we'll simply be picking I am a freelancer or affiliate marketer. So if you're picking these two, you won't really be having any problem with Payoneer. So I'll be picking I am a freelancer because of course I want to be making money with Payoneer. So it said get paid by international clients or freelance marketplaces. So if you're going to be working with sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and others, you are freelancer, you will need to choose this get paid by international clients or freelance marketplaces. So it said the right account for you is freelancer slash agency or service provider. Get paid by clients in the or via marketplace. So just click on this register sha. So you allow it to load. Yes, Payoneer sign up. You click on individual, don't click on company o. Don't click on company because you don't have a registered company, a tax whatever. So don't click on company. So click on individual. Here you are to fill in your first name basically, and please, if you're filling in your first name, make sure it is the same name you'll be using for your bank details. Like the arrangement is the same on your bank card and on the rest document you'll be filling out here. You understand? If you're bearing something like phone care, yeah, something like phone care, uh Funke Sikiru, you understand? Or you're bearing something like Funke Ngozi Salisu. You understand? If you're bearing something like Funke Ngozi Salisu on your bank, that's if that is the name you have on your bank details. Please don't write Ngozi Salisu. You understand? Yes, or don't put your nickname Ngozi Salisu or Afunki Baby. You understand? So put your real details so that your money will be transferred to your Nigerian bank account. You understand? What we are trying to say here is that the name you'll be filling here has to be the same on your either national ID, international passport, and that of your bank account. You understand? So you're filling in your first name, your last name, your email address, again your email address and your date of birth. And then you click on I am not a robot. Guys, I will be filling this in now and then I'll be clicking on next. Then you'll see the next page because honestly, I've had my own share of whatever, so I really don't want to fill in details here. But this is just basically the things you will fill. So the next page will be your contact page. That's after clicking the next button. But please make sure you do the I am not a robot whatever very well. Click on the instructions so as not to go back and forth over the this thing. So just click on it very well. So the next one is your country. Like mine is already showing Nigeria. So if yours is not showing Nigeria, you click on Nigeria. Then you have your street number and state. So you fill it in. Mine is showing Lagos State, so I'll just pick it like that, Lagos State. Address. Well, if you're not in Lagos, if there are other states there, you can as well pick it. But if not, you can just pick Lagos State. So mine already, because my phone is already rooted in whatever, so it has Lagos State, location, city or town, Lagos. Then your postal zip code. So if you don't know your postal zip code, like mine is 100282, like the location I am now. So if you don't know your postal code, or what is it called, yes, you go to Chrome and search for postal code, like your location. So let me just show you guys. I will just minimize it here. I will type in postal code Lagos. So it will bring a whole lot of postal code depending on your region. So you just pick the one that is your region there. You pick anyone that is your region, you copy it, and then you go back and fill it in. I'll come back here and then I fill it in. This mobile phone section has the plus 234 already. So what you just do is to fill in your mobile phone number, and that mobile phone number you filled in, they will send a verification code to you, to the mobile number. So make sure it is a working mobile number that you have access to, because you fill the verification code in here and you click on next. You fill in the verification code and then you click on next to go to the next page. Yeah, so guys, after you click on the next one here is to choose your username, enter your password twice, and you choose your security question. So the security question, please choose anyone that you know that you can easily remember, because you know it is a security question, which means it's possible that whenever you want to log in, Payoneer will ask you that same question and you must input the same answer that you input now. So it's either your mother's maiden name, your first pet, your father's town, your first school. So anyone you choose, just make sure you remember it. After then, you click on the next button. So I'll be filling it in now, and I'll be clicking on the next button to show you guys the next phase. So guys, this is the next phase, which is probably the last phase until you verify your account. You need to fill in, which requires you to fill in your local bank details. You understand? So you fill in your bank details, your currency, your bank name. Please make sure your bank name is the same name that, your account name is the same name you use in registering. Don't add and don't remove, so that you won't have issues later. So after you click on that one, you make sure you click on you agree. After you have agreed, then the next thing is to hit the sign up. So once you're done signing, you have to go back to your mail. They'll send you an email. So you go back to your email and you to your mail and you verify your Gmail. After you verify your Gmail, the next thing you need to do is to wait for them to review your account. You wait for them to review your account, and when they review your account, they will get back to you, and then you can start making money, and thereafter you can start making money, receiving money over and over. So after they review your account and they've probably approved it, this is what the platform will look like, as you can see. So if you're using a mobile phone like me, you come to in here, this three dots, and you click on get paid. Yes, when you click on get paid, you click on receiving accounts. Now, this receiving account is basically mostly for those of us that have KDP account and we want to probably input our account details on KDP. One thing with Payoneer that I love so much is you have access to a US account. Like for instance, this is a First Century Bank account based in the US. Checking blah blah blah. These are the details that you input for Amazon to pay you. You understand? Now, if you want to check, probably you're thinking of okay, for your Nigerian account, yes, you click on withdraw and transfer, right? Yeah, withdraw and transfer. And you click on withdraw to bank. So when you click on withdraw to bank, that's if you want to withdraw your money, it will bring out your bank details. Like me now, I've inputted my GT bank account. So as you can see here, it says Guarantee Trust Bank. So this is Guarantee Trust Bank. This is my bank account. So if I'm withdrawing any money from my Payoneer account, it's going straight into my GT bank account. So guys, that is basically how you can sign up for a Payoneer account that will be working in Nigeria, and you can be receiving payments with the Payoneer account from anywhere you are in Nigeria or outside. Well, Payoneer, I think they are located in almost all the countries, maybe just a few restrictions, but as long as Nigeria, Ghana, Togo, I mean all those countries including Nigeria can access Payoneer. I think they have limited restriction. So if you're a freelancer working on Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com, or working for any international client, you're free to request your payment using Payoneer. Now, their own charges is quite less compared to PayPal. So you're just advised to use Payoneer for receiving payments. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. You can go around the website or the account, play around the account for you to learn more. They have their 247 customer support in case you have any question whatsoever that you want to ask them. So I'll see you guys in my next video.